Upgrading your home is about more than improving how it looks today. It's about making smart investments that pay off tomorrow. One of the most effective ways to increase both comfort and resale value is by installing replacement windows in McLean. For homeowners who want to enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and attract future buyers, new windows offer a powerful return on investment. First impressions that add real value when potential buyers approach a home. Windows are one of the first features they notice. Old, faded, or drafty windows can make even a well-maintained property appear outdated. On the other hand, modern replacement windows instantly refresh your home's exterior. Clean lines, updated frames, and expansive glass designs create a polished, upscale look that complements McLean's beautiful neighborhoods. Curb appeal plays a major role in property value. Homes that look well cared for and modern tend to attract more interest, which can lead to stronger offers. By upgrading your windows, you're not just improving aesthetics, you're making your home more competitive in a high-value market. Energy efficiency buyers appreciate energy efficiency is no longer just a bonus feature, it's an expectation. Today's buyers actively look for homes with energy-saving upgrades, and replacement windows are one of the most noticeable improvements. Modern windows are designed with advanced insulation technology, including double or triple panes, low emissivity, low E coatings, and improved sealing. These features help regulate indoor temperatures by keeping heat inside during winter and blocking excess heat in the summer. In a place like McLean, where seasonal temperature swings can be significant, this makes a noticeable difference. Lower energy bills are attractive to buyers because they reduce ongoing living expenses. When you can show that your home is more energy efficient thanks to upgraded windows, it becomes a more appealing long-term investment. Increased comfort and reduced noise. Property value isn't just about numbers, it's also about livability. Replacement windows dramatically improve indoor comfort. Eliminating drafts, cold spots, and overheating near windows makes your home feel more consistent and pleasant throughout the year. Additionally, high-quality windows provide better sound insulation. For homeowners in busy or highly desirable areas, reduced outside noise is a major advantage. A quieter interior adds to the sense of privacy and luxury, which buyers often associate with higher-value homes. When potential buyers walk into a home that feels comfortable, quiet, and well-sealed, they immediately recognize the difference. Enhanced security and peace of mind. Outdated windows can be a security concern. Weak frames, worn locks, and aging glass make homes more vulnerable. Modern replacement windows are built with stronger materials and advanced locking mechanisms that improve home security. Security upgrades are especially important in higher-end markets like McLean, where buyers expect quality and peace of mind. By installing new windows, you demonstrate that your home has been thoughtfully updated and well-maintained. This added layer of protection can positively influence how buyers perceive the overall value of your property. Low maintenance, long-term savings. Older windows often require frequent repairs, repainting, and sealing. Over time, those maintenance costs add up. Today's replacement windows are designed with durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames that resist warping, rotting, and fading. Low maintenance features appeal to busy homeowners and prospective buyers alike. When buyers know they won't have to deal with immediate repairs or upgrades, they're more confident in paying a premium price. A move-in-ready home with updated windows signals that major improvements have already been handled, reducing the list of future expenses. Strong return on investment. Window replacement consistently ranks among the top home improvement projects for return on investment. While the exact increase in value depends on factors like window style and overall home condition, homeowners often recoup a significant portion of the installation cost when selling. Beyond the financial return, replacement windows help your home sell faster. A property that looks updated, energy efficient, secure, and well cared for naturally stands out in the market. A smart upgrade for today and tomorrow. Investing in replacement windows in McLean isn't just about preparing to sell, it's about improving your quality of life right now. You'll enjoy better comfort, lower energy bills, enhanced security, and a refreshed appearance from day one. And when the time comes to put your home on the market, those same benefits become powerful selling points. Replacement windows are more than an upgrade. They're a strategic improvement that increases property value while making your home a more beautiful and comfortable place to live.